parents, we always want to give the best thing to our babies. Massage is one of the most important thing. Hello, hi, namaste. Welcome back to my channel, Mom and Baby. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Sarita and I am a mother of 15-month-old baby girl. In this video, I am going to share with you the benefits of the massage and how I give massage to my baby every day. So without further ado, let's jump into the video.
For the massage, you will need a towel, massage oil or lotion, clean clothes, diaper and a baby mat. Here I have used a mat that absorbs the liquid. So in case if your baby pee, it won't leak out. You could use bed or table to do the massage, but I prefer to place my baby on the floor with soft mat and a towel underneath her, as you can see in the video. The towel helps to absorb any excess oil. Make sure the temperature of the room is not too hot or cold. Massage helps to develop babies mentally, socially and of course physically. Therefore, always set a time aside to do the massage to your baby every single day. You can introduce massage as a nighttime routine, as I have done since my baby was born. Warm a tiny amount of oil in your hand and then spreading the oil evenly throughout the head of the baby in a circular motion, and also put the oil in the front part of the head, which is very sensitive. You may have noticed that if you put your finger in the newborn's head, this part does go down a little bit as if there is a hole. So be very gentle with your baby. Remember not to apply too much pressure on this area. Then spread oil properly in the whole head and scalp, which will help baby to relax and nourishes the baby's hair as well. Throughout your massage, try to interact with your baby either by singing rhymes or talking with the baby. Then use the very tiny amount of oil to massage baby's face. Massage baby's eyes in a circular motion, then slowly move on to the nose, cheeks, upper lips, chin, and then go to the ear as shown in the video. Now move on to the upper part of the body. Put the oil in your hand and gently massage in the neck, chest and tummy. Gently rub your fingers in the neck areas so that you can remove any part of dirt or grease from the neck, because of which some babies got some kind of wound in the neck area. Therefore, give extra care while doing massage in any part of the crease areas such as neck, underarms and in between of the thighs. Now make the cross or crisscross in the chest of the baby. Do this couple of times, then move on to tummy. Rotate your hand in a circular motion in the clockwise direction, which I normally say, I love you. And my baby loves this word. Massage stimulates a key nerve called vagus nerve, which connects the brain with important part of the body, including stomach. Stimulating this nerve can improve digestion, bowel movement, weight gain, and also remove colic and gas. Now take more oil and gently spread the oil in the leg and then massage the soles of your baby's feet in a circular motion. With your thumb, start massaging the heels up to the toes. Lightly massage the toes as it will help stimulate nerve endings. Then gently move your finger in between of the babies in all 10 toes. Using little bit of oil, wrap your hands around one of the baby's thigh and pull down one hand after the other, squeezing gently as if you are milking her legs. Switch legs and repeat. My baby is 15 months old, so she runs all day. This massage helps her legs to relax. Now, again take little bit of oil and put it in the center of the body, as it helps to keep the whole body moisturized. You can only do this once the umbilical cord of the baby is fully healed. Take one of your baby's arms in your hand and repeat the milking motion from her armpit all the way to her wrist. Then take her hand and gently rotate her wrist a few times in each direction. Switch arms and repeat. Then trace tiny circles over the palm of each of the baby's hand with your thumbs. Gently take a finger between your thumb and forefinger and pull, letting her finger slip through your grasps. Repeat for all her fingers and both thumbs. Now let's move on to the back. Roll your baby onto her tummy. Make sure baby's hands are at the front, not at the side. Now take some more oils and spread it gently over the back of the baby. It's better not to put the diaper during the massage time. I have used this diaper only for the sake of this video. Massage your baby's back with gentle hand so the baby is fully relaxed. With the help of the two thumbs, massage your baby in a circular motion from neck to bottom, but be careful that your thumb is not in the spine, rather it's on the two sides, right and left, because baby's spine are very sensitive and it's developing. Then do some long firm strokes from baby's neck all the way to feet. And finally, finish with few stretches like cycling, which help to remove gas, and other form of exercises for the hand and legs as shown in the video.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Colic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Make sure that your hand is very gentle and you are doing it without much pressure. You can increase up the pressure accordingly as your baby grow older. I have given all the list of the product that I have used in this video in the description box below, so don't forget to check that one out.
If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon below so that you will be notified for any upcoming videos. Also, if you have any suggestion, question, or if you want me to do any of the videos, please let me know in the comment section below, because I believe sharing is caring. Till we meet in our next video, take care and bye bye.